Ninja Fit Blender stops mid-blend. Overheating fixes that work. If your Ninja Fit Blender stops working mid-blend, especially when making thick smoothies, it's likely overheating. Here's how to fix it, starting with the easiest steps. Step 1. Unplug and let it cool. When it shuts off, unplug the unit and wait 10 to 15 minutes. This resets the thermal switch and prevents motor damage. Step 2. Don't overfill the cup. Only fill to the max fill line. Too much in the cup makes the motor strain harder and overheat. Step 3. Use pulse blending. For thick mixes, use short downward pulses instead of holding pressure. This gives the motor brakes and prevents overheating. Step 4. Add more liquid if needed. If the mix is too dry, the motor works extra hard. Add a splash of water, juice, or milk to ease the load. Step 5. Check the blade assembly for wear. If your blades feel dull or stiff to spin, they may be overheating due to friction. Replace the blade base with the OEM part I've linked below. It restores smooth blending. If the blender still stops mid-blend, after trying all that, there may be an internal issue. Ninja support is linked in the description. If this helped keep your Ninja Fit running, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance breakdowns. And if you need a replacement blade base, I've linked the one I use. It drops in clean and spins like new. Thanks for watching, and blend smart.